Welcome to Zahida's Style Cooking. Cabbage and chicken. Subscribe, like, share, comments. Let's start. Heat vegetable oil 1/2 cup. Add 1 large onion and garlic slices. Fry them until golden brown. Now add chicken 250 gm. Mix well and cook for 5 minutes. Add chopped ginger 1 tablespoon. Ingredients. Now add salt to taste, red chili powder 2 teaspoon, chili flakes 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. Fry the chicken until oil separate. Add chopped tomatoes. Keep the lid on and cook 10 more minutes. Chicken has cooked. Add chopped green chili. Cook other 2 to 3 minutes. Add chopped cabbage. Mix well and cook for more 5 minutes. Add green chili slices. Cabbage is ready. Take out in a plate and serve hot. Thanks for watching.